video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a paper cork. So this is a very easy way of making a paper cork, and it is useful too. So you can use this cork for playing with your dolls, and you can also make it in a bigger size, and you can just use it for photography or any other crafts, or you can just make it simply and use it for playing. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever I upload a video. So now without any further delay, let's get started and we'll be seeing how to make this easy and useful paper cork. So first, for this activity we only need a square piece of paper. So I'm going to be making a pink cork, so you guys can take pink. So if you guys want to make it in a different color such as yellow, blue or anything else, you can take that color. So first we're supposed to take this paper and we're supposed to fold the paper in half. Step number 2 is that we're supposed to open this paper and you have to fold both sides of the paper to the middle line like this. So now I'm just going to be taking this paper, entire paper, and I'm folding it in half slowly. So now I'm opening this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm folding both sides of the paper to the middle line. So after we complete this, I'm just opening this part and I'm taking one side of the paper over here and I'm folding it in an outwards direction over here, and I'm repeating the same step on the opposite side of the paper as well. So now if we turn it, we'll get a skirt-like structure over here. So now we'll have more area on the top as well, and if you see at the bottom it will be more huge and lumpy, so we just have to fold it over here and press it to the bottom to the crease. So now I'm just going to be turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm folding the paper a little bit more to the top, slowly like this. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm just going to be pushing this paper in and I'm turning the paper to the opposite side and I'm folding the paper to the middle line over here. So the next step we're going to be doing is that I'm opening the paper and I'm folding the paper in half to the line over here. So you guys do not have to do the steps, but if we do it, the paper will be more stronger and the cork will be nice. So I'm just going to be folding the paper at the top to make two triangles over here. And now I'm just going to be opening these two parts and I'm just going to be folding the paper again to the bottom part and to the top part one time like this. So now I'm just going to be opening this part and I'm going to be applying some glue onto the top portion of the paper. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be using my hand to spread the glue. So you guys can use a toothpick or an ice cream stick to spread this, or you can just stick it simply, but if you spread it, it will stick more easily. So after we complete this, I'm turning the paper to the opposite side over here. So now I'm just going to be taking a white paper over here and I'm just going to be opening the paper over here and I'm placing the skirt-like structure over here. So now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting out a cork-like top part over here. So we have to do this slowly, so I'm just going to be cutting it out randomly, then we can cut it out more perfectly. So after we complete this, we'll get a half circle-like structure. So now I'm just going to be placing this paper over here on this part and I'm going to be cutting out the irregularities over here. So I'm just going to be, you guys can see this part is more bigger over here and this one's a little bit smooth at the bottom and hilly. So I'm just going to be cutting it a little bit more. So I'm just going to be cutting out a little bit diagonally and vertically so that the paper is not straight. So now we'll get a structure like this. So now I'm just going to be sticking the paper onto the back portion of the paper over here. So I've already posted a video, I'm going to post a video on my channel about how to make a paper skirt and all. So you guys can visit that for more info. So I'm just going to be sticking this part over here slowly. So after we complete this, we'll get a white structure on the top part. So now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm cutting out the paper at the corner parts like this. So now I'm going to be repeating the same step onto the opposite side of the paper as well. So you guys can do this slowly. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be cutting the paper a little bit onto the top part over here. So now our cork is almost ready. So I'm just going to be cutting the paper a little bit onto the bottom part So I'm just going to be cutting the paper a little bit on the bottom. Now I'm cutting it straight and a little bit vertically and diagonally over here. So after we complete this, our paper cork is ready. So you guys can put many more decorations over here. So you can just cut the paper over here and you can just draw things like that, and you can write cork and you can do many decorations, and you can also make it in a bigger and smaller size if you wish. So the cork I already made is small and the one I made in the video is kind of big. So after we complete this, our paper cork is ready. So as I said at the beginning, this is a very easy way of making a paper cork, and this is useful too. So you can make it in a very small size, such as about 4 into 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter to 4 centimeter, and which will give you a very small cork. And you can also make a bag by looking at other videos, and you can use it for your dolls for playing. You can also make it in a bigger size and use it as a home decor or wall decor. So you can just put a piece of thread over here and hang it on the wall, or you can just pin it to the wall. So it has many more uses, and you can search uses of paper cork. So after we complete this, as I said, our paper cork is ready. So before I conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So I want to thank you all for watching my video. I have watched other videos in my channel also. So I post every video every day. So you guys can visit that for more information, and please tell me in the comments how this paper cork was. So that's the end of my video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.